Hi, Katelyn. Great job in your lesson on getting those down, up bowings. We're going to solidify that with this video here. I'm going to make a video recording the first 4 lines. I'm going to play it with the repeat. Feel free to play along with me, but I think a great way to start out is just with your bow, doing the down, ups, and all the bowings in the air while I play. Then you can listen, pause, play it back, or you can try to play with me. Make sure your left hand's relaxed. We got the joy of the music in our heart, and we'll play it with a repeat. 1, 2, and 3, and ready, and play. Now repeat. Down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Left set, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then we always lift set. So when I repeated, I decided the second time to say the bowings out loud. I don't know if that's helpful or not, but watching the bowing and hearing the bowing, 2 different ways to learn. The more ways we can add, the more helpful it is. So go back and replay this video with just the bow, then play it with the fingers. I would do it 3 times a day, that little part of the video that I just recorded. And then when you're done with that, we can do a little bit of new learning. So you're going to start by listening to this part a lot, and it starts on the E string. And I know you're reading notes on the A string pretty well, but the E string notes might be a little harder. So what I'm going to do is give you a good view of my fingers so you can see how many fingers each note is on the string. And I'm going to sing it and finger it. So this will not have the bowing. But this is a way where you can learn the notes, and you can also pluck along with me if you want without the bow, so you don't have to worry about if it's double down bows or double ups. That just gets your left hand learning the notes, okay? And then we'll eventually do just the bow, and then we can put it together, okay? So I'm gonna go slow, and we're gonna do from 17 all the way to 24 in one chunk. You can pause it in the video if it gets too much, and just do little bits and pieces of it at a time, okay? So let's sing it and finger it. And you can just watch me the first few times. 1, 2, and ready, go. B, G, A, B, G, A, D, E, F, D, G, E, F, G, D, C, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, F, A, C, D. Now, understand that I'm not singing sharp notes. I'm just saying the letter names, kind of like when we play your A scale, okay? Now, you can rewind, go back, and just finger it, just sing it, and get really comfortable. I would do that 4 or 5 times every day. And after however many days, maybe 4 or 5 days of doing it, you might feel ready to add some bowing, okay? At this point, I would just add the bow without the fingers and just do the air bow while I play it, okay? This is after you've already feel really comfortable with all of the left hand, okay? And then after you're really comfortable with the left hand by itself and the bow by itself, then you can try to play it with me. But I'm gonna end today's video by playing this part with the bowing and the left hand. Here we go. And I'm gonna play it nice and slow like we just did here. 17, ready, and go. Okay, so you can always pause and not do that whole 2 lines also. Or, since I don't see you for 2 weeks, if it's extra easy and you want to go ahead, then practice listening to a good recording and listening and reading ahead and see if you can get to the end, if you're able to do so. So make sure you're practicing your A major scale. You did so good on that in your lesson today. 2 octaves every day, and then pick either G, D, or C. Have fun with your review practice. Make it a game. Listen for ringtones. So ringtones are going to be all your 3rd finger notes. We want it to ring really good. We don't want to have this dull, dead sound. Or, okay, so really find that ringy spot in your sound, and you can do that in any of your review songs, okay? Also, I wrote down on your paper, start listening to the Happy Farmer, because we'll be at the Happy Farmer soon, so that's exciting. Have a great 2 weeks, and I'll see you soon. Bye.